So joining me now is Sinan from Vettore Home. Welcome back to HIVE Furniture Show.
Thank you very much.
So you've been with HIVE Furniture Show since the very beginning.
Yes.
You are the gold members of HIVE Furniture Show. I've got to ask, why does Vettore Home keep coming back to HIVE Furniture Show?
Yeah, firstly, I'd like to give some information. Vettore Furniture established 1990. Also, we are the family company and we produce the home collection, bedroom, sofa sets, dining sets, and some accessories. And we are already exporting to 22 countries, Europe, Middle East also, and North Africa. So we really like to be here because here is heart of the Middle East, Dubai. So thank you very much for preparing this exhibition. As I told you, we are participate the 5th times, so we are happy to come again because we can get different customer, different countries. They are coming also Middle East, also North Africa, Middle Africa, also from Russia. So we like to be here. Also, next year we like to be here again.
We hope so.
Yes.
We hope so. I mean, you mentioned there, it's a real global hub and you have access to many different buyers. I want to also know what other opportunities as HIVE Furniture Show being able to offer Vettore Home as a result of having a stand here.
Yeah, we are preparing the new collection. Our collection has some quality standards. We are using the high quality fabrics, foam, and some skeleton. So whatever we are making and giving to our customer the last collection and last combination, we try to do our best.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for talking to us. It's lovely to have you back with us for another year, and I hope to see you again next year.
Hopefully, we will
Thank
be
you.
here. Thank you.
Thank you.